got gains in my sleep. You ever heard that song? I got
gains in my sleep. I get gains in my sleep. I get gains in my sleep. I get
gains in my sleep. You ever heard that song?
I got gains in my sleep.
I get gains in my sleep. Shout out to everybody here. Hi, my name is Sam Price, professional crypto trader. I'm known as Crypto Lifer on YouTube. Last night, I made $2,000 in my sleep. Could have opened the trade at 11 o'clock at night, and then it closed at about 5:48 a.m. It was automated. It was done with 3 commas, a beautiful system that I use. But I figured it out using technical analysis. On the 1 hour time frame, I saw what's called a bullish pennant. That is a 68% chance of a break to the upside. I also use the VRVP or the VPVR, the visible range volume profile. It shows me where people are buying and selling or heavily interested in. I saw a lot of buys in this area propping the price up, telling me that it was likely to get a move to the upside. That shows me that there's strong support in this area. Also, when the price gets into a tight wedge and it's touching the 21-day moving average, and most of the moving averages are pretty tight, there's a high likelihood that this is going to break to the upside. The stochastics RSI were also low. It's a deadly awesome indicator that I use. It's so amazing. And the MACD had lack of bearish momentum. Also, falling volume with falling price gave me the indications that the sellers did not have any strength. These indications blasted this trade to the upside, and I was able to make the gains. I have it here to show you, because why would I lie? I put in $2,769 in the trade, and I got a 349 bond. The thing would bang. 3 commas would sell it automatically for me at 5:48 a.m. on 7/20. I made $2,072 in my sleep, 74% gains. If you like this outcome, if this excites you, I showed this trade live on my live stream. We went over it and talked about it, and I also showed it in my group and did multiple updates in my Discord. For $99 a month, you can have access to my brain and what I'm putting out, and come to my live stream for free. You can watch me every day and learn and get educated. I teach and teach and teach and teach. Teaching is my passion. So come and get passionate with me, have fun, and let's learn, change your life. Watch me every day, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I can't wait to see you there. Follow me on all the social medias. Crypto Lifer. Crypto is life.